Is your RedNote app showing the wrong language or mixed up text? In this video, I will show you how to fix language problems and set it back to your preferred language easily. Let's get in. Launch your RedNote app. Now click on three bars given at the top left. Navigate to the option settings. Now head over to the option general. Click on the option language and translation. Here you're gonna find the list of the available language. Checking for the one that you wanna set for your RedNote account. Once you do that, the language will be updated. Next thing you wanna do is check your phone's system language. For that, close this, launch your settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option general. Now head over to the option language and reason. Click on the option add language. Here you're gonna find tons of language option. You can check in for the language that you wanna set for your RedNote app. Likewise, next thing you wanna do is update the app. So launch your Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app RedNote. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Still you're having the issue, completely delete app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the RedNote app, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app RedNote and then install it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If still your problem is not fixed, you can navigate to the website RedNote Contact Us and you can contact to the RedNote support team. So these are some fixes for RedNote language issues. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.